Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into more Camaro stuff. This will be for the next video where I'll be doing rotors, and then I'll be doing a video on the calipers, all that good stuff. So I have the wheels off for that. Coming around to some of the stuff that I have purchased that we're going to be installing. I did pick up some of the Raystar wheels, so I'll show you those last actually. I have Mickey Thompson ET Streets SS's. These are two 5560 R15s, and then for the front I'm still waiting on them from the manufacturer, Raystar wheels. 17s for the front, 15s on the rear, because it's a little bit bigger tire on the rear and they come out to the same size. So I've seen it before and it looks really good, so that's what I'll be running. On the front I will have two 25s 55 ZR17s, just so I'll always have good traction. I didn't want to go with the cookie cutters, so this is what I ended up going with. We'll get those mounted and balanced and everything and get those on the car. Other than that, I went with the Pypes M80, which is similar to the SLP loudmouths. And then I got the Pypes turned down, but turns out they don't slip over each other. So when I went to Napa to get my bearings and seals and stuff, they told me to go over to Goodyear, and Goodyear hooked me up with a couple scrap pieces of piping so I can get these welded together. Other than that, I have down here in the white box the drilled and slotted rotors from Summit Racing. All of this is from Summit Racing. The Wilwood steel braided brake lines, my Garmin DriveSmart 65 GPS, which will be my speedometer in my car since I'm doing a custom carbon fiber dash, which I already have a video on. Under here is my Optima battery, the other rotor, and then my Wilwood brake pads and Wilwood calipers that we will be doing a video on. So stay tuned for those videos. And then back here I have a bearing packer, the grease that I ordered, the Autometer Sport Comp tachometer, the Raystar wheels hardware, lug nuts and centering washers and all of that. Set of wheels that I ordered, which are the Raystar Dark Star wheels, and these are the rears. So I'm going to go ahead and get those mounted and balanced, and we're going to start installing rotors and calipers and tires and rims and exhaust and all of that good stuff. Right now I'm still kind of working on the center console / custom gauge area, and then I've started wiring on the Phytech, which I will be posting more videos of that as well. It's just been a slow process, been really busy at work, so a lot of stuff to come. Once again, I ordered all this from Summit Racing, but it is linked down in the description on Amazon for you guys if you're interested in any of this. Most of it is linked there for you guys. Also, all the tools that I use and everything, it's also linked in the description, all for you guys. So please let me know what you guys think, and please stay tuned for the updates on the Camaro. See you guys next time.